still think the high spot insanity of forget his name now, whatever Manchester City star, struck up and he gets perfect to his club. And anything. They deserve it. No, I have, but you just think, oh, for God's sake, can you imagine some of the old Chelsea? Chelsea.